Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog and happy new year to everyone who are watching my video right now. And today no mystery came, so it's very completely silent today because they didn't came because they are enjoying their what do you call new year, still enjoying. Today is January 2, still they are enjoying the new year. And not the carpenter mystery came, but they went back home. They came in the morning, they came because they needed people. They have only two helper, the main mystery, the carpenter the head mystery, and then two helper. I'm talking about the carpenter. So, anyways, this is the front door. It will be here. This door will place here, and this the height of this is 4 feet. So I just try to see how many people could get it. Like 3 to 4 people at least can get in, one go at a time. And the best part is that we have a this will there will be grill also. The grill will be inside or outside. Two double protection. That means this one will be in the front side, and in the back side we will have what do you call grill. To double protection. You can see this one is a small window ventilation, and I'm not sure what this one, but it's so heavy you cannot leave it out by one person. You need 3 to 4 people, and if you're not careful it will go on. So this is the box window which is will press here this side, which is our studio. This side there will be another one, and this box window will be placed only in this side, so there will be no box window apart from this side. There will be only one box window. You can see the angle is twisted. See, you can see some road. This one just that they don't separate from each other. That's why it has been given. And right now it's so heavy that I cannot leave it by my long. They need 3 to 4 people. And within the primer, initially wrong. This white paint, we have to put it. So, and this was just given for protection so that it didn't fall dead side, just in case. Uh, and one more thing is that we will have a window. Washroom will have a window. You can see window frame. This is the cupboard. Huge cupboard. See, I can keep as many clothes as I can. Walking cupboard. So this is it. I hope you guys can see this is a window, washroom window, and we were talking about how it will be like. So it will be like a, you cannot be able to see it. This will be a, there will be no glass here. Here there will be no glass. Therefore, if there is a light, it will be not. That means it will be like kind of light will not reflected outside. So like if someone gets in here, let's say I get inside to use washroom at middle of the night, so the light what to say, that light will not be reflected outside. I don't know how it will be look like, I don't know how it will be, but that's what the carpenter mystery has told us. Oof. Yeah, so really silent. We'll have another one. This is my mom's room. Still, and what's my window frame. And the reason why they have started working is because so that it will be easier for to assemble it when they want to assemble it. And new, as already New Year, I didn't celebrate New Year also. I just made some resolution for my New Year, and that's it. That's how New Year went by. This was editing. This is orange. Yeah, this orange, as my mom bought it, it's a cheap orange. She got it for low price, and then some of the oranges were not that good. It doesn't taste good. It was like, it was sweet, it was sour, but as I've made a resolution not to drink, but in one, and what do you call, one, with no other option, because my mom bought a milk, so I had to drink it. Right now I'm going to make some bread with organic butter, ghee. Organic ghee. oh. I don't know what to so I think I have shown guys. I think I have shown you guys my organic ghee. So I bought it from market yesterday. This one is sticky rice which I bought, which my mom purchased today. This is the organic ghee, and these are what I don't know what we call napalm. So this is actually a dry fish. Okay, first of all we dried the fish. Let me show you this one, small fish. And then what we're gonna do is that after once it's dried up, then we will grind it up sometimes through hand, sometimes through machine, and then thorough is also added, and then it's kept that way. And once if you want to eat, then you can just put in that oven, and then just little bit water and mix it up. It tastes awesome. So I have to. This basmati was got from market. It's a free package, Patanjali free. I think I will eat this one. I'm not sure. This is the organic tea. Look at it. Got stuck inside. As I don't have milk, so I'm going to make a black tea. See, one of the thing I got here. So the black tea, so that if you want to make black tea more want to make it more tasty, then you should put some salt also. It becomes really tasty. And just want to end here only. It's a short vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.